Wow, I forgot that feeling. I was like a teenager feeling. I feel I can do anything and beyond.
Looking for your own moment? Well, so was I. I'm a physical therapist. Hi, my name is Aaron and I'm here to show you that there's hope for us all. So why do you have neck, shoulder, and back pain? It can stem from a variety of reasons, like sitting too long to just living your life. So we developed the trigger point rocker. We've developed numerous exercises specifically for the trigger point rocker. We have a happiness guarantee over here, so if you don't like it, just send it back. And now we're here at Mason Park on a beautiful Sunday morning to hear what people think about the product.
Oh wow, this feels nice.
I have very tight hamstrings, so I can feel it kind of pulling on there as well.
But it's only took 10 minutes and you feel you got that feeling. My goodness, something unbelievable. So I'm ready to roll.
Thanks for your support. Back us today to save your back tomorrow.
PanduPanda.com. Subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notification about new latest unique product. Like, comment, and share the video.